Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when you're installing Windows 11 and it says the PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirements, and the problem is the processor isn't supported for this version of Windows. So how you can fix this? Let's get started. First open start menu and then type regedit. It will open registry editor. Now just click on view and then click on address bar. Then you'll see a computer written here. Just remove this and type h key underscore local machine, this whole code. Once you type this directory and hit enter, it will bring you to this setup file. Here you have to right click here and then click on toward 32-bit value. After this you have to name the newly created file this allow upgrades with unsupported TPM or CPU. Make sure you enter the correct spelling with the same capital or small letters as it is, and once you hit enter, double click on it and it will open this dialog box. You have to set the value to 1 and then click on OK. After this you have to restart your PC one time and hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.